Hey guys, Chlorine King here. Wasn't that awesome? I've literally been waiting forever for something like this to come out, ever since I bought my first vacuum system years ago, because the hitch mount doesn't allow us to use the tailgates. Every time we tried to deploy our tailgate, it would hit it halfway down and we basically couldn't use it. So anytime we had to lift heavy chemicals, we were stuck doing it over the side of the bed or over the tailgate, and it just caused a lot of undue strain on our bodies. So the guys at Riptide finally engineered something that's a killer product. As you saw, it lets us fully use our tailgates, and it's so durable. I'm literally sitting on the hinge portion of it right now. So speaking of it, let's go ahead and give a close-up of the product, and along with a close-up of the hinge. So here's a close-up of the locking and unlocking mechanism for the swing hitch. It's basically the same thing as a standard hitch mount from Riptides. It's very effective. So you got your standard locking pin, and then you just unhinge it and swing it out, and then you want to close it. Just close it up like that, put the pin in, and you're good to go. So that is a close-up of the swing hitch locking mechanism for the Riptide swing hitch mount. Just check out how well built this hinge is for this product. You can see it's very robust, very solid welds, and just a typical Riptide product, very well built. What's cool is this is where you also make your adjustments. If the product ever falls out of alignment when you go to close it, you just make your adjustments here, and it gives you the ability to line everything back up to where everything's working just like it was brand new. So you got everything set up, it looks all brand new and great. Well, how do you keep it well conditioned, especially the bolts, because those tend to rust quickly? Well, Dave at Riptide turned me on to this product. It's called Fluid Film. You can find it at Lowe's or Home Depot, and it's a rust and corrosion protection preventer. And all you do is you just shake it up and spray it on, and then let it soak in. It actually penetrates it, and it keeps everything looking like brand new months down the road. I really like it, and I'm glad he turned me on to it. So pick a can of that up, guys, to keep your bolts and everything looking brand new. Now that we see how well built this thing is, let's take a look at some of the features that I absolutely love about this product. Number one, you can choose which way this thing swings out. You see here on my truck, it swings out to the right. If you look at my buddy Dave from Riptide below, his swings out to the left. So with this product, you get to choose how it swings out. Number two, this hitch mount here, you can literally put this wherever you want across the swing bar. And why is that important? Because that gives you versatility depending on which vehicle you put it on. For instance, I have a standard work truck with a standard tailgate, so I put mine all the way at the end, so when I swing it out, I can lower my tailgate completely. If I had a repair van, for instance, I might not want to put it all the way out here and maybe put a little here, so it's offset enough to where I have access to one of my doors, but still be able to carry the cleaner without having to swing it open. And of course, if I want full access to both doors, I just go ahead and swing it out no problem, and then I can do whatever I need if I need to take out a heat pump or whatever the case may be. So the Riptide guys even thought of how can they make this work for every vehicle that we service and repair pools with. So head over to riptidevac.com and pick yours up today. They're only $350 and they come with a 1-year warranty. And as always, anything Riptide makes is built to last. So thanks for watching, take care, and stay tuned for more videos. Have a great day.